found a way out of here. Till they drove to the sea. There's too much confusion. I think it
USA, the side Canada.